This video will showcase the installation of our combo stone. This includes a mix of the field stone and the ledge stone. Surface preparation. It is recommended to install on cement board. Ensure cement board is compliant with installation requirements from manufacturer. Proper weather barrier is required for exterior projects as per your building code. Stone selection and layout. Plan the layout by arranging the stones on the ground to achieve a natural look. Mix stones from different boxes to ensure color and size variation. Don't be afraid to cut or chisel the stone as required to achieve your desired layout. Use a chipping hammer. Use a hand grinder with a diamond blade. Use a miter saw with a diamond blade. You will be able to hide the trimmed edges later using grout, so don't worry if the edges aren't perfectly rounded. Mixing polymer. Modified mortar. In this case, Mason Bond 400. Mix Mason Bond mortar according to the manufacturer's instructions to the proper consistency. Once correct consistency is achieved, it is mandatory to wait 5 minutes for polymer to activate, then remix before use. Applying the polymer modified mortar. Apply a 1/4 inch thick layer of mortar to the cement board. Back butter the mortar onto the stone pieces one by one. Apply an inch thick layer of mortar to the back of each stone. Cover the entire back surface to ensure good adhesion. Start installing the stones. Press the stones onto the cement board, wiggling, twisting them slightly to squeeze out some of the excess and strengthen the bond. Keep the joints consistent to achieve the most appealing result. You probably want your joints to be 1/2 inch to 1 inch. If stone is sliding, use a shim, spacer, or screw. Do not use wet sponge or wet brush to remove excess mortar, because it will cause staining that will be difficult to remove. Let stone set for 24 hours prior to grouting. Grouting the joints. Mixing grout for joints, in this case, King 1.1.6. Ensure to have the proper mix consistency. Squeezing grout from bag should be easy. If you use screws to hold the stone, remove prior to filling the joint. When finished placing all the stones, fill the joints with a grout bag. During this step, conceal any trimmed edges. Wait for grout to set. Once the mortar joints have become thumbprint hard, use a joining tool, compress the joint and clean excess. You can use some of the grout to fill any missed spots. Various joining tools are available for desired depth and finish. For rustic natural look, you can use a wooden joint tool. Cleaning. After the mortar has begun to set but is still pliable, use a dry brush to clean off excess mortar from the stones to create natural look. Following these steps will ensure a successful and durable stone veneer installation.